It does not matter how slowly you go, as long as you do not stop. Hey guys, good day to all. Welcome back to my channel Conquer. This is Afro Sami. Today's topic is note making. Let's get into the topic. So, note making is one of the most important tasks to prepare notes from newspapers, standard books, and other books also. So, from that to prepare effective notes, I am going to discuss about note making today. Okay, note taking is one of the most important aspect for student and aspirants. If it is effective, then it is easily understandable for recalling and remembering the content, and also easy to make the revision. Making notes is not simply copying content as it is. It should be simplified and in effective manner. Okay. So in this topic we are going to discuss about uses of making notes. Okay. Uses of making notes. It should be important. One, note making is important, and also it is easy to summarizing the concept. Do not copy paste, noting the facts, using shortcuts and mnemonics, easy to revise, easy to carry to exam, take less time to revision. Okay, in this method I am going to discuss about three methods which have been worked effectively for me, my methods of note making. So I used to use three most important methods for making notes. That first one is Cornell method, second one is 5Ws, third one is mind mapping. So these three methods work effectively. Now I am going to discuss about the first and foremost method, that is the Cornell note taking method. It is the important method which has helped me very well. So first divide the page into three columns. First left column, right column and bottom column as shown in the figure. So in left column you have to leave 30% of the space, in right column you have to leave 70% of the space, at bottom you can leave more space. Okay, so as shown in this figure, it has been explained that mostly while taking the classes, while listening to the classes, take a paper, divide the paper in these columns. In left side write the main headings as shown in this figure, and in right side for that headings or for that questions write the answers, and after completion of the class summarize it in a small simple sentences which will be understandable more easily. So in this it has been defined that in left column what is the Cornell method, what are the 5 steps should I follow, for that answers have given in the right column and summarizing has given in the bottom. So it will be this most easy and effective method. Now I am going to discuss about the second most important method, which I have made some technical corrections for my effective note making. I am going to discuss about this in this. First, take a textbook. It is useful for mostly newspaper reading and also for making notes in the current affairs. Take the topic and make a pencil read. Give a pencil read and underline the important topics with the important lines with the pencil. Then go for highlight markers. After completion of the pencil read, take a marker and highlight the most important points from the underlined pencil marker as shown in this figure. In this textbook they have highlighted the most important points, like that only you have to highlight it. Then you will go to the second step, that is 5 W's and 1 H. Take the topic from the newspaper and for that topic search for these above 6 questions: what, where, when, why, who and how. Answer for all these 6 steps in one paper, and you have to search in Google for that. So by doing that we will get all information about the topic, so we will get more information about this. For by after answering what, where, when, why and who, you will get more gather all the information. Then you can go for an outline. This is the third step in this method. Here frame your question, frame your contents in these 3 steps: introduction, body and conclusion. In introduction, give your orientation about that topic. In body, give all important information what you have gathered regarding the main concept. You have to give in this body content. And in conclusion, finally you have to conclude that if you will be in that place at that situation, what are the actions you are going to take. So for this you have to answer in conclusion box. It is very important to identify your thoughts, your identification, your communication. There they'll get identified. In answer making it will work very effectively. For me, I used to answer that only for such topic. If I will be there to solve this, how can I solve it? Now this is the second method. I am going to discuss the most important and easy method, that is the mind mapping method. In this method you have to do one thing. It is very time consuming, space consuming, and also easy to revision. In this you have to give the main heading at the center of the page. At the center of the page you have to give main heading. Same like this, you have to give arrow marks to for the subheadings as shown in this figure. For these subheadings you have to give another sub underline headings. To that sub underline headings give some important points in shortcuts. Note the important points in shortcuts, there you can remember easily. And also use some symbols, like here thunders has been shown, and also eye symbol. For time it has been shown, it is a time watch symbol. For thoughts it has been shown, that is as a bulb symbol. Like that you can use all these symbols, along with you can use mnemonics or emojis or extra any other symbols. Like this you can make the complete entire standard notes for standard books and also for NCERT, simplified manner and easily understandable and easily rememberable. These are the three most important methods which has worked on me very effectively. I think you have been understand about this topic. If you do like it, please do like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.